So this is another style of mechanical thermocouple. It's a unit that produces voltage, but this one's called coaxial. The reason that that unit is coaxial, as you can see on the end, we have spade connections to go on a gas valve. This one has a threaded connection. The exterior is the grounded source and the interior is the positive feed. So when you put your meter leads on to test these, you typically want your black or ground on DC voltage, and you'd measure here to get your flame current. It's hard to run a safety with this disconnected. So obviously, gator clips come in handy. Put it on your black or negative feed to ground and clip it on. That way, when you're holding the TS11 button in and checking your pilot sense, that you can actually get onto it to measure it. But these produce the same kind of voltage as these do. It's just a different connection style. A lot of times people ask, well, what's in there? Well, it's a little electromagnetic coil. So this is actually a magnetic head from one of our TS11 gas valves that is a replacement. And these work hand in hand. This isn't the whole valve. This is just the actual power head, we call it. So on this back side, you can see there's a little coil of spring wire there. And if you could see farther up, you see that little grounding wire? That's actually the other half of the coil. So part of it goes in there. You'd thread this in, make your connection. When the current was right for this unit, if you're drawing the right amounts of DC millivolts off of this thermal pile, when you hold in on the magnetic safety button, the voltage produced by the thermal couple or thermal pile is actually what does the work of keeping it in. So you push on the red button, you light the pilot, the thermal pile starts producing voltage. That voltage is fed through this wire in the center, right down through the center of this, to a magnetic coil. And that magnetic coil's only job is to hold that pilot safety in mode when there's voltage provided. If there's no voltage provided from the thermocouple, it drops out. So if you have pilot loss or a broken thermal pile, it won't produce voltage and your magnetic head won't stay in. It'll release.